Hi everyone! Welcome back to the Frugal Watch Box Channel. Today, we're taking a look at a watch I've worn, abused, and totally not pampered for the past year, the Skmei 1998. I bought this little champ for just $9, and it's been my go-to beater watch for yard work. It's been through mud, water, dust, sweat, rain, and even a few accidental smacks against concrete walls. Poor thing's had a rough life, but it's still ticking literally. In today's video, we'll see how the Skmei 1998 held up after 12 months of yard duty. Let's get into it.
Case dimensions for the specs fans.
Let's quickly check the dimensions, especially for those who are new to this model and wondering if it'll fit their wrist. Case size, 42 millimeters. Lug to lug, 45.1 millimeters. Thickness, 13 millimeters. Lug width, 18 millimeters. Weight, around 42 grams. So yeah, it's got a sporty size, not too chunky, and pretty lightweight on the wrist. Even if you forget you're wearing it while mowing the lawn or chasing your dog around the backyard, it's not going to slow you down.
Case, bezel, crystal, case back and strap, the battle scars.
Alright, time to assess the damage battle scars and all. After a year of abuse, the ABS plastic case and bezel definitely show some noticeable scratches. Nothing too wild, but enough to say, yes, this watch has seen some action. The resin crystal has picked up scratches too, probably thanks to sand, dirt, and mystery yard debris. You know the usual. Despite the wear, the printed text on the face like dual time at the top and L luminous at the bottom is still visible, even with some scratches in the way. The metal case back isn't stainless steel, so it's picked up some scuffs and scratches over the year. But hey, no signs of rust, corrosion, or weird smells, which is a win in my book. The imprint around the outer circle, including the model number, Skmei logo, and 5 ATM water resistance marking, are still clearly visible. Even the battery code, CR2025, is still readable, nothing has faded or worn off. Honestly, for something this cheap, the back held up better than I expected. The plastic strap, still in one piece. There's a bit of mud residue, but I left it there on purpose. Why? Because I'm still using this for yard work, and cleaning it felt like lying to you.
Buttons check, clicky or sticky.
All 4 buttons are still working perfectly. The left side buttons, which control start and reset, still give a punchy, satisfying click. The right side buttons, for light and mode, are also holding up well. No mushy feel or stickiness. After all the dirt and grime, I'm surprised I didn't have to dig mud out with a toothpick.
Dial check, budget Casio Royale vibes.
Let's talk about that dial. It's clearly inspired by the Casio AE1200, also known as the Casio Royale. After 1 year of hard labor, the digits and icons are still super clear. On the left side, the imprint alarm chrono is still visible. The Skmei logo on the right still has its shine no fading. The countdown timer imprint at the bottom is also intact. That mini clock graphic on the left with numbers from 05 to 60 is still crisp. Even the animation inside works like day one. The WR50M water-resistant 50 meters mark, still readable. On the right, the little indicators for timer, alarm, and hourly chime are doing great. Below that are the large letters indicating the day of the week. The main display showing date and month is crystal clear. The PM indicator and the SNZ symbol, still there, still sharp. The main time display, big bold digits for the hour, minute, and seconds, remains highly legible. Basically, the display looks like it's aged better than I did over the last year.
Alarm check, beep beep.
The alarm still works. Now, It's not going to blast you out of bed like a fire drill. But in a quiet room, it does the job. If you're a heavy sleeper, maybe keep your phone alarm as backup. Or just place this watch directly next to your ear. That'll wake you up or at least confuse your dog.
Electrolumen sent Backlight. Tiny watch, big glow.
This backlight is surprisingly good. It illuminates the entire display evenly, a feature that even the legendary Casio F91W can't claim with its sad little side LED. Nighttime visibility? A+. It's a glow up, literally.
Viewing angles, ghost mode.
Now, viewing angles. There's a bit of ghosting when you're not looking straight on, or when you're in certain types of indoor lighting. But come on, at $9, we're not expecting old display quality here. It's good enough for telling time while mowing the lawn or wrestling with a hose.
Water resistance test. Splash approved.
Let's talk about water resistance. This watch is rated for 50 meters, and here's what I tested. 1. Running tap water on it, no problem at all. 2. Dunked in the sink, still ticking. So yeah, it can handle rain, hand washing, yard sprinklers, and maybe even a casual swim. Just don't take it scuba diving, okay?
Try on wrist. Beta but stylish.
Here it is on my 6.5-inch wrist. It actually looks pretty good, not too big, not too small. Whether you're wearing this for yard work, casual walks, or even a laid-back weekend outfit, it fits in well. But hey, if you already own a shiny Casio Royale, maybe keep that one safe at home and send the Skmei out to do the dirty work.
Pros and cons. 1 year later.
Pros. 1. Super affordable at just $9. 2. Surprisingly durable despite heavy use. 3. Clear and functional display. 4. Grade L backlight. 5. Buttons still responsive. 6. Water resistance held up perfectly. Cons. 1. Scratches on case and crystal, but expected. 2. Not the brightest alarm. 3. Some ghosting at angles. 4. Questionable long-term quality.
Final thoughts. Would I still recommend it?
So final verdict after 1 year of mud, sweat, and weeds. The Skmei 1998 still works like a champ. It's not perfect, but for under $10, I'm seriously impressed. If you're looking for a cheap digital watch to beat up and not worry about, this one deserves a spot in your toolbox or glove compartment. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and drop a comment below if you've tried this watch or want to recommend another budget beater. Also, check out the Frugal Watch Box merch. Buying something helps grow this small channel and keeps the content coming. I think that's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. It really helps out the channel. See you again in the next one. Bye for now.
Bye. See you again.